Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and moist eggless vanilla sponge cake. So if you want to learn how to make it, keep watching. These are the ingredients you're going to need. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. So first you're going to grease and line a 6-inch round pan and set that aside. And then you're going to add your salt to your flour and mix it well. Then set it aside. In another bowl, you're going to take your curd and add in your sugar and mix it in. And then to this, you're going to add in the baking soda and the baking powder and mix them in. Then let this sit for 5 minutes. And then you're going to add in your oil and the vanilla extract and beat it in. And then you're going to add in your flour and mix it just till it has incorporated in the batter, but do not overmix. And then you're going to pour your batter in your prepared pan. Spread it out evenly. Then bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes and make sure to check it after 25 minutes because you do not want to overbake it. And once it is done, you're going to let the cake cool for 30 minutes and then run a knife at the sides and then flip it onto a plate. And then you can slice it and serve it. Or you could even use this as a base for any cream cake and it would be amazing. The texture of this cake is nice and soft and fluffy, and I am sure you're going to love this. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the recipe and check out my channel for more videos, and I will see you soon. Bye!